Actually have my brood box halfway assembled. Show you what I did, how I did it. I use these little nails here, about 1.25 inches, and just hammered them in right here on the sides. I did glue them. Some people say you don't need glue. I used glue. Then I got busy on my frames. Basically what I did was, after the dog tipped over my nails, I use a hole punch. I use a little hole punch here to make a starter hole. And I just hammer those nails in. Little tiny nails. Just like so. I actually glued these as well before. Some people say don't glue them because you may need to remove some of this, and if you do, it'll strip this and rip it up, and you'll have to replace the whole thing, but I don't care. Let me show you how I put these things, put in the foundation. Okay, now I'm going to slip this in here. I just do it from this side here. And I'm going to start up here. Press that in there until it goes in. Snaps in just like so. You're ready to go.